In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through the advanced version of how to do a hollow hold. Not only are we going to be keeping our legs completely straight, we're also going to be crunching up at the same time and holding that position. So there's no movement in the exercise. It's what's called an isometric contraction, where we hold a set position for a desired amount of seconds. So what you're going to do first, it's optional to use a mat. I would recommend one. Is you're going to lay on your back. You've got your chin up, and then from here, you've got your legs completely straight. Your lower back should be in complete contact with the mat at all times, from this start position all the way to a position when you start your exercise. Now let's talk about arm position first. Bring your hands up above your shoulders, and then bring them all the way back. And I want you to find that halfway point between here and here. So for me, that's approximately there. And now what I'm going to do is bring one leg up, bring the next leg up, and slowly come down with my legs, trying to keep my legs completely straight until I can feel a contraction in my core, but you don't want to come into a position where the lower back's lifting off. So let's say, for example, you're here, you've got your legs straight. Let's say your back is coming off the mat. Just come a little bit higher, and then hopefully you'll be in a position where you can come high enough where you can get the contraction in your core without the lower back coming off the mat. Once you've found that position, you can have feet together or feet apart. Keep those knees completely straight. And now come up into a contraction of a crunch. You're always looking up, chin up, eye line to the ceiling. From here, you hold that set position. So what you're going to do is hold that for your desired amount of repetitions, or alternatively sets. So let's say, for example, you're doing repetitions. You might decide to do a 5-second hold, then relax, then do another 5-second hold and relax. If you're doing it for a set amount of seconds, you might decide to do 30 seconds or 20, all in one block.